Hi Muffins! Welcome to my kitchen and thank you so much for tuning in. Today is, in my opinion, the best day of the year because it's my birthday. In celebration of my special day, I wanted to share an easy recipe for a 3-layer funfetti cake. To keep things simple, I went ahead and used one of my easy cake mix hacks to make a delicious white cake that tastes like it's homemade. But I couldn't leave it at that. Because it's my birthday, I went ahead and added in some rainbow sprinkles to the mix. And to top it off, I covered the cake in my delicious Swiss meringue buttercream frosting and, of course, some more sprinkles. This is the perfect birthday cake. So if you want to learn how you can make it for yourself, then please stay tuned.
First, spray 3 8-inch round cake pans with a non-stick baking spray, line them with parchment paper, and set them aside. In a mixing bowl, combine 2 bags of vanilla cake mix with 2 bags of instant vanilla pudding and mix well to combine. In a separate bowl, combine your eggs, whole milk, melted butter, and your vanilla extract and mix as well. Combine your wet and dry ingredients along with half a cup of rainbow sprinkles and mix together until the sprinkles are evenly distributed throughout the batter. Evenly distribute your cake batter between the 3 cake pans and bake at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for about 50 minutes. While your cakes are baking in the oven, whip up 2 batches of my Swiss meringue buttercream frosting and dye it to whatever color you'd like. I'll leave the link to my tutorial on how to make this frosting in the description box below. Next, peel off the parchment paper from the bottom of your baked and fully cooled cakes. And using a serrated knife, gently carve off the domed tops from each of your cakes so they are all straight and perfectly leveled. Place a small amount of frosting in the center of an 8-inch round cake board and firmly press down your first layer of cake. Next, pipe on a generous amount of frosting on top of your bottom layer of cake and evenly spread it out. Repeat these steps with your 2 remaining cakes. Pipe on a light layer of frosting to lightly coat the entire cake. This layer of frosting will catch any loose crumbs that may be on your cake and lock them into the frosting so your top layer of frosting is perfectly smooth and crumb-free. Once your cake is lightly covered, place it in the refrigerator for 15 minutes to set. Once your crumb coat has set, generously cover the entire cake with more frosting and smooth it out using a cake scraper and/or an offset spatula. Once your frosting is smoothed out, sprinkle a generous amount of rainbow sprinkles all over your cake. Using a round frosting tip, pipe on some dollops of frosting along the top border of your cake and garnish with some more sprinkles. And there you have it, a 3-layer rainbow sprinkle funfetti cake, perfect for your next birthday.
That's it! That is my easy 3-layer funfetti birthday cake in celebration of course, my birthday. As always, the full list of ingredients can be found down in the description box, and the full step-by-step instructions are over on the blog at karrahgermain.com. Please try it out and let me know what you think. I'll be sharing some more photos and quick videos on how I made my 3-layer funfetti cake over on my Instagram. So if you'd like to see more, please follow me at Karrah's World. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it for you. If you did, then please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment down below so I know you watched. And don't forget to subscribe for more recipes and tutorials. I love you guys so much. Thanks again for watching. And as always, stay sweet.